Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken broth in a rice cooker. Like always, everything that I use will be listed in the description below. The first thing you're going to want to do is put your chicken bones into the rice cooker. Then you're going to add your toppings. For this one, I'm just adding some celery. And then you're going to want to add the seasoning that you like. Add water. And you're going to want to slow cook this for at least 6 hours. When it's done, you're going to want to remove the bones and strain out any extra things that might have floated to the surface. And then enjoy.